Today I'm going to show you one of many ways that I make chocolate chip cookies. By the way, follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Okay, starting with dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt going in. And give it a mix. Okay, so for the wet ingredients and the sugar and butter and all that stuff, I have 1 firmly packed cup of light brown sugar and just regular sugar, granulated sugar. Add 2 large eggs. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Actually, maybe a teaspoon and a half. I don't know. It's up to you. But start with a teaspoon. That's a typical ratio for vanilla extract. And now here I have a 1.5 sticks of softened butter. This is unsalted butter. I'm just going to cream everything together. Okay, that is creamed together. Now I'm going to add my flour mixture here. Get this out of here. 12-ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. That is around 2 cups. And now I'm just going to fold these in. Okay, so this is combined, and as you can see, it's kind of softened. So I'm going to let this set up for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator. In the meantime, I'm going to preheat my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so my dough had a chance to set. The oven's preheating, so I'm going to start scooping out the cookies. Here I have an extra large baking sheet with parchment paper, and I'm just going to start scooping out cookies and placing it on my baking sheet. My son is super happy about this. Okay, so my cookies are on the baking sheet. I still have more cookie dough, by the way. And I'm going to be baking this in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 9 to 11 minutes, or until they're cooked through and slightly golden brown and crispy on the edges. Okay, so my cookies are done, and I accidentally smashed that one. But I'm gonna give them a couple of minutes on the baking sheet, and then I'm gonna remove them to cool on a cooling rack. Okay, so they're on my cooling rack, or yeah, this little cookie cooling rack. And once they're cold, you know, you just dive in. And these are chocolate chip cookies. Crispy and light on the exterior, gooey and melty, chocolatey in the center. So good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.